Hi, and welcome to OPM Connect. I'm Naomi Francis. We're back to keep you up to date on the activities of the Prime Minister and your government. For the upcoming shows, we'll break down the Prime Minister's 2023 budget presentation. What does it mean for you, and how will it impact and improve your life? Well, ahead of the show, let's recap some of the measures announced by the Prime Minister in his contribution to the 2023 budget debate.
We are pleased to announce that starting June 1, 2023, the national minimum wage will increase from 9,000 per 40-hour week to 13,000 per 40-hour week. This represents a 44% increase. The old age, widower, and invalidity pensions and all other benefits payable under the National Insurance Scheme will be increased. Effective April 1, 2023, the flat rate for the minimum weekly pension will be raised by 74%.
The speech had something for everyone, from the single mother to the youth wanting a skill, to transport operators, those feeling the effects of the drought, and more. It's all part of the government's move to ensure improvements in the macroeconomy enhance the lives of every Jamaican. This week, we speak with two financial analysts, Dr. Adrian Stokes and Dennis Chung, who will explain the impact of the minimum wage increase and the increase in NIS pension benefits.
Issue of the minimum wage is particularly important, and that will be felt by the average man on the ground. If you think about it, inflation has been a significant feature of the world economy over the last couple of years. People have lost purchasing power. The move to increase the minimum wage will restore some of that purchasing power. The persons who earn minimum wage tend to have a high propensity to consume. In other words, they spend most of their income. What that means is that the move to increase the minimum wage will actually be stimulative to the overall economy. So that is definitely a good thing, and overall it will be a good thing for the economy as well.
Pensioners, you need to give them more money, right? They need to have more spending power, because if you don't give them that money that they can spend, then you're going to be dealing with it in PATH and that sort of thing, right? So giving more money to the pensioners, I think, is critical, because you have people who, at that age, they would have more medical care to deal with, right? They would have obligations and not having an income or the capacity to earn an income coming in. So I think that this one is a big one. You're giving them more independence also, which for me is more paramount, right? To just considering the effects really on the economy. But you have to give these people greater independence at that level.
So now let's hear what you have to say.
Well, anything will benefit once you're getting something. Better than nothing. Half a loaf better than none.
I'm happy to hear that, because I'm telling you, pension is never enough. And unless you have some other source of income, it's not a living wage. So I'm very happy to hear that.
It's like a benefit if we can get that money there for put aside there now. We help it towards either a ticket or something. You know what I say?
Thanks for your views, and thanks to Dr. Stokes and Dennis Chung. Next program, we'll talk about how much easier it is for you to get a skill at any age, as we look at the impact of the removal of fees for Heart NSTA Trust courses up to level 4. That's it for OPM Connect. For more information on what the government is doing to impact your life, follow the OPM and the Prime Minister on all socials at Andrew Holness JM, and on YouTube at Andrew Michael Holness/JM. Look out for OPM Connect online and on your favorite station.